If you're considering Rentler for your property management needs, there are 12 key things you need to know before making a decision. Stick around to the end to see how it stacks up against the competition and if it's the right fit for you. First, Rentler offers a user-friendly platform designed to help landlords and property managers handle everything from listings to payments. But when compared to competitors like Buildium and Appfolio, it's not as comprehensive, especially in areas like accounting and financial reporting. If you're managing multiple properties, you might find Rentler a bit lacking in advanced financial tools. Next, Rentler has an intuitive listing service where you can create, manage, and advertise your rental properties. While it's simple to use, if you need more customization for your ads or integration with other marketing tools, platforms like Zillow Rental Manager offer more robust options. The third thing to note is Rentler's online rent collection. This feature makes it easy for tenants to pay through their portal, which saves time. However, unlike competitors like TenantCloud, Rentler doesn't offer automatic late fee enforcement, which can be a downside if you need that level of automation for late payments. The fourth thing to keep in mind is Rentler's maintenance management feature. It allows tenants to submit maintenance requests and track their status. While this is a great tool, it lacks the advanced features that tools like PropertyWare offer, such as contractor management and integration with third-party service providers. Next, Rentler provides tenants with the ability to sign leases online. This is incredibly convenient and a major time saver. However, it doesn't include e-signature integrations like DocuSign, which some competitors offer for a smoother, more legally robust signing experience. Rentler also offers automated tenant screening, which includes background and credit checks. This feature is decent, but not as detailed as what you'll get with other platforms like Cozy or TenantCloud, which offer more advanced screening tools. Another feature is Rentler's built-in communication system, which allows landlords and tenants to message directly through the platform. It's a nice touch, but it's not as versatile as competitors like Appfolio, which offers multi-channel communication options, including text messaging. The eighth thing to note is that Rentler provides free listing management, which is a great benefit, especially for those just starting out. However, if you're a larger property management company, you may find its free version too basic compared to Buildium or Appfolio, which offer more tailored features for scaling businesses. The ninth point is that Rentler's mobile app is available for both iOS and Android, which makes it easy to manage properties on the go. However, reviews indicate that the app's functionality isn't as advanced as competitors like Appfolio, which offers a more feature-rich mobile experience. The 10th thing to consider is that Rentler provides a limited amount of reporting and analytics tools. While it covers basics like rent rolls and occupancy rates, it doesn't offer the in-depth reports that platforms like PropertyWare or Buildium provide, which are essential for large-scale property management. Next, Rentler is known for its transparent pricing, which is appealing for smaller landlords. Unlike some competitors that have hidden fees, Rentler gives you a clear view of what you'll pay. But if you need more advanced features, like accounting integrations, you'll likely need to opt for higher tier plans, which may not be ideal if you're budget conscious. The final point is that Rentler has a support team available to assist with issues, but some users have reported slower response times compared to other platforms. While Rentler's support is good, platforms like Appfolio tend to offer more extensive support with dedicated customer service representatives. So Rentler is a solid option for property managers, especially if you're looking for something simple, easy to use, and cost-effective. However, if you're managing a large portfolio or require more advanced features, you might want to consider alternatives. For a more comprehensive and free solution, check out our recommended software, which offers all the features you need with a free trial.